Howdy, welcome back to another Addicted Motors Rover auction review series special? Sure, called a special. And today what we got for you is a 2004 Land Rover Discovery SE, not HSE, D2. It's a 2004 and it is at auction and the starting bid is $20,000. Now, I want to real quick jump into the Rover auction State of the Union because prices are going down drastically. Less trucks are actually being auctioned. A lot of buy it now prices for very low sub $5,000 marks, and a lot of stuff is sitting. So it's a great time to get a deal on a auction Rover that you're going to still put 5 to 6 grand into, but at least you're going to get it at a cheaper price than you would have 6 months to a year ago. So that being said, let's jump into this one because I think the theme of this is how to correctly market and potentially sell your overpriced Rover. And I don't have as much of an issue with the $20,000 price tag on this truck than I do with some of the other ones that are listed on the site. Now, it is a one owner, 140,000 mile truck that is in Utah that was originally a Texas truck. And look at this, the seller has actually put all the information and the relative services and whatnot that justify a high price tag, and I don't disagree with them. It's also interesting, it's very close to the one that I just sold, the Bonnetti Gray, that 03 that I just got for $500, which again, same wheels, entirely same setup, except actually mine was an HSE, but an 03 with no lock and transfer case. So new everything, new engine, 88,000 miles, and then after that, still a lot of service needed on that main engine. But services, looks like it has okay tires, records. It's laid out the justification for the price instead of off-road truck rare, goodbye, because not boring Toyota that most of these sellers usually do. So that being said, the fact that the engine was replaced, okay, and that's good. It's not here nor there, but I understand why the ask is probably so high. Jumping into the description again, doesn't say there's any flaws. It says they're open to having PPIs done and everything like that, all their contact information. So again, it's marketed well. It's got great pictures. Look, truck looks good. It's got the fender flares removed, I think. 04 lock and transfer case, lower spec truck, good color, presents well. All the plastic looks good. No crack bumpers, nothing to see here. Blah, 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 blah. The 03, 04 taillights, I like those a lot. It's even got the dealer tire cover. Again, good side profile. Paint looks fine. I'm sure there's going to be some little dings and scratches, but that's not really relevant. It's still a 20-year-old truck. Engine bay looks great. All the plastics are intact. Battery cover. Coolant's in the coolant reservoir. It's all shined up and ready to go. Great. You know what I mean? All the wires look good. No frays. Nothing out of the ordinary. Interior looks good. Again, this is odd. I didn't know you could get non-heated seats on a late model D2, but you can. I was checking that transfer case stick had the same sticker as mine, which again, no locking transfer case, but it had that sticker. Again, I still find that interesting. Again, the seats look great condition. I love a black interior on a D2. It's got the cup holders, no heated seats. I don't know why that irks me a little bit, but I don't know. I like heated seats. But yeah, all that looks great. All those plastics that are always cracked and broken are not, because this truck seems to be worth, probably close to the ask. If it was me, I would have. The problem is when you're selling someone else's truck, right? Which I do consignment a lot. But this looks like they purchased it from the owner. Headliner looks great. Probably stored in the garage. There's the underside. They even took the time to put it up on jack stands, wiped all the oil that dripped out. But all those components look really good. Look at it. Looks great. Nope, nothing bad to say. Front wheel well looks great. Frame looks amazing. Wheel wells look pretty. Ooh, so this, I don't love that, right? That's a back frame, and that's been painted. That's a check against that side. Now that side looks a little better. So let's zoom in and see if those little drain holes are present. They are. They're not bulged out, so it's probably not rusted out, but the rear frame of the one I just had for $500, at least the side rails, not the back rails, look better than this one. That side looks okay too. So this one's, it's okay, not amazing. That's a good negotiation point. But again, looks great. All the pictures look good. You know, I think this kind of stuff, it's not going to be a quick sale. But if you're looking for the best one, there's not a lot of stock, decent 04, you know, that are out there that can satisfy the niche. You know what I mean? And that's what dealers go for. They look for the guys willing to just do it. So let me know in the comments. Check out the next one. See ya.